I don't want to disclose the deliberations of the meeting. We have to save India. India is our country. There is a lot of meaning in it. I think we all have joined together to save the India. We have a great agenda for 2024 and this would be the beginning of that. Bangalore has shown the way for that. I don't know. Already Mr. Kargeji has announced his program. There will be a coordination committee. A lot of things will work out. Mamtaji has come out with her vision, whatever she has. All the chief ministers have put forward their ideas, whatever they have. They wanted to save the entire country and India will fight. It is their party, or they are remembering India after a very long time. I hope the NDA old partners are very happy at this. Now they have been called and summoned. I don't know about it. I could see the photographs on social media. Earlier they was telling that we don't want NDA, BJP is enough for everyone. This shows that something is going wrong.